Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Welcome to our presentation. Our presentation topic is about function of management. Here's the group member of our team: Sabrina Akther, Anamika Roy, Halimatus Sadia and Sraboni Mohajan. Before starting our presentation, let me introduce myself. I am Umme Habiba from Department of Accounting. My topic is about planning. You know, Henry Fayol is the father of modern management, as he suggested all managers perform 5 functions: planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating and controlling. I am beginning with the part of planning. What do you mean by planning? Planning is an intellectual process of thinking in advance about setting of goals. The first management function is planning. It is base of all other functions. Deciding in advance what to do, how to do, what it to be done, how it to be done, who is going to be done are related to planning. It bridges the gap between where you stand and where we want to reach. That's all from me. Now my next groupmate will conduct the next part. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thanks my teammate Umme Habiba for calling me on the stage. Now I am going to discuss about organizing. Organizing is the management functions associated with the effective utilization of the resources like men, machines, materials and money for achieving the objectives of the organization. The purpose of organizing is to guide, direct, arrange, coordinating and control the activities related to production. The process of organizing is the key to a managerial job and the basic function of management authority. Appointments of authority is the key to organization. The organizational structure itself is a tool for accomplishing enterprises' objectives. Now I am going to discuss about the steps of organizing. First one is identifying the work to be performed, and the second one is classifying the work. Third one is assigning the groups as or the individual to work, and in the end I want to say that organizing is an important managerial function and every organization need to be organized enough to achieve their goal. Thanks for your attention.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Halimatus Sadia. Now I am talking about management function or staffing and directing. Staffing is constant and fundamental step in management function. After determining the strategies, objectives, programs, policies and procedure, manager selected a group of people by evaluating their knowledge and skill to work on that project. This project is called staffing. Staffing is the key to efficient performance function of management. Without capable person, an organization cannot perform the management function like planning, organizing and controlling. Activities involved in staffing are utilizing and promote manpower, selecting and recruiting suitable person, placement of manpower, deployment. Directing is a process in which manager guide, instruct, oversee the performance of the employee to achieve predetermined goals. It is the heart of the organization process. If you want to describe it in simple words, it is actually providing guidelines to the worker to perform the best of their ability. Activities involved in directing process are leadership, communication, motivation and supervision. The next function will discuss my team member Anamika Roy.
Namaskar and Assalamualaikum. Thank you for joining me. My name is Anamika Roy. Now I am going to talk about coordinating, which is the fifth step of management function. Coordinating is a process of organizing people or groups so that they can work together easily and properly. In every organization, various departments perform different type of activities to reach the organizational goals. It is important that the activities of different departments and work groups in organization are harmonized. This function is called a coordinating function. It ensures the unity of action among work groups, individuals, and departments. To achieve the organizational goals, all departments must operate in an integrated manner. Coordinating prevent conflict and overlapping so that the unity of the action remain unchanged. Some function of coordinating are clear explanation of authority, responsibility relations, unity of command, unity of direction, and effective communication. Now, another group members of ours will tell you about controlling. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Sabrina Akther and I am here to discuss about the topic controlling and conclusion. What is controlling? Controlling is the management process that involves monitoring, comparing and correcting work performance. Controlling is the last steps and the important steps of a management function. It links the planning with the controlling. When plans are set and tasks and structural arrangements are put in place and if people are trained, hired and motivated, there has to be evaluation of what has been done. To evaluate this actual performance and the set standards are compared with each other. If the work is not done according as planned, managers need to check what went wrong and set back on track. And controlling is important because it lets the manager know what tasks are being performed effectively and efficiently. In conclusion, these tasks are performed by managers to coordinate and oversee the work of its employee to achieve its organizational goal. These tasks need to be done so that organizational goal can be achieved. And this is the end, and thank you for your attention.